Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ubuntu with Google Authenticator, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Google Authenticator installed on your mobile device. Next, open a terminal window on your Ubuntu computer. Update your package list by typing sudo apt update and pressing enter. Then, install the Google Authenticator PM module using the command sudo apt install libpam Google Authenticator. Once the installation is complete, run Google Authenticator in the terminal. You will be prompted with a series of questions. Answer yes to the prompts regarding time-based tokens and updating the configuration file. Take note of the QR code displayed in the terminal. Open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Select Setup Account and choose Scan a barcode or enter a setup key. Scan the QR code or enter the setup key as shown in your terminal. After setting up, the app will provide you with a 6-digit code. Next, open the PAM configuration file by running sudo nano /etc/pam.d/sshd. Add the line auth required pam_google_authenticator.so at the end of the file. Save and exit the editor by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and enter. Now, open the SSH configuration file with sudo nano /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Locate the line that contains challenge response authentication and change it to yes. If the line is commented out, remove the hashtag symbol to uncomment it. Save and exit the editor again. To apply the changes, restart the SSH service using the command sudo system to restart SSHD. Now, when you attempt to log in, you'll be prompted for your password and then the 6-digit code from the Google Authenticator app. Enter the code you see on your mobile device. If entered correctly, you will have successfully logged into Ubuntu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.